قال الله تعالى يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. O mankind, worship your Lord who created you, وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ, and He created you those before you. لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so you become pious, you become fearing Allah. And if you are fearing Allah, then Allah will guide you with the Quran, and Allah will guide you to the paradise and not to the hellfire. So now, generally, a khutbah now is about the Quran is the book of Allah, it is for whole mankind. This Quran is not for only Muslims, it is for every human being. Allah is talking to the human being. Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind, worship your Lord, become the slave of your Lord who created you. And those before you, He created us. So you become pious. What is our object? Is to fear Allah. Why you worship? So we can fear Allah. And more we fear Allah, the more Allah bless and more Allah guide us. And Allah is continuing to saying, الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُمُ الْأَرْضَ فِرَاشًا وَالسَّمَاءَ بِنَاءً وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَخْرَجَ بِهِ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ رِزْقًا لَكُمْ فَلَا تَجْعَلُوا لِلَّهِ أَندَادًا وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. And then Allah is mentioning about the sky and the earth and the rain and the vegetations. It's all made by Allah. So inshallah, important thing is to remember Allah loves us too much. And Allah cares for us too much. He gives us everything in the life. And what He needs from us is to worship Him, to follow His commandments. Allah said, why I will punish my slave if they obey me? Why Allah become angry? Because we disobey Him, then He become angry. The same thing with us, like we are fathers. We like and love our children, but when our children disobey us, we become very angry. So it is that Allah is our God, He is our Lord. We need to always obey Him, not to do evil, always do good, follow His commandments, pray on time, fast and do good to the people, give charity to the people, don't make evil, always work for peace. As long as we follow the commandments of Allah, and as long as we don't disobey Allah and don't do what Allah forbidden, Allah is always going to love us and always going to bless us. So what is our goal? To follow the commandments of Allah, so Allah can give us good life here in this and save us from the hellfire in the next life and bring us in paradise. May Allah guide us.